Hey, this is Angie with Angie's Beyond the Lecture. Now, this video is meant to be a short introduction to my series of videos that I just put out. It's for a chemistry final exam review. Now, this particular review covers the first maybe 6 to 8 weeks of the chemistry semester. Now, this is whether you're in intro to college chemistry or high school chemistry or even Gen Chem, and it covers the basics, the fundamentals. Again, maybe the first month or two, it's sort of hard to estimate based on the pacing of your course. But key topics are going to be the definition of chemistry, properties of matter, the definition of matter, the three types of matter, significant figures, scientific notation. The list goes on. There's about 9 videos total, and total time is about 80 to 90 minutes estimate. And again, they're broken up into 9 videos, and they're anywhere from 5 minutes to 20, 22 minutes at the very most. And at the very end, there's a review problem section. Now, this section lasts about 80 minutes. It's a long format video, so it's from beginning to end on all of those practice problems. There are about 50 practice problems total. Okay, so we're talking about in total 2.5 to 3 hours of content that is relative to the beginnings of chemistry. And again, we're talking about the first, I would say, maybe a quarter to a third of the semester. And these are fundamentals, very important. When it comes to reviewing for the final exam, you need to sort of dial back and remember, what did I learn in those first few weeks of the course? And you'll soon realize, I forgot maybe more than what I was thinking. But again, it's a solid foundational review. I hope you enjoy the content in this video. A few things to point out. I did notice some very small mistakes that I corrected on the videos themselves. So you might see like a highlight of, oh, I meant to say maybe this, or I corrected, like I missed a negative sign. And when I was just discussing these topics, and I did mark one question wrong. It was in the precision and accuracy section, and I simply just threw out the wrong term. Total mistake, just an oversight on my part. So I corrected it on the exam itself, or the practice exam itself, but I did not include it in the video. Okay. And just so you know, there's a document tied to this video. It's about 8 pages of notes. And I basically go through lecture or discussion style on these videos. Okay. So I'll go through each section and sort of discuss what I have written down on the screen and maybe add some notes to spice things up. This is not the most exciting material. I realize that, so bear with me. It's been a while since I've been in front of the screen and talking. And again, I did catch as I was editing, I caught some mistakes, and you'll see something flash on the screen. Again, maybe half a dozen or so, and they're very, very minor. I thought maybe I could word something better to communicate more clearly. So I hope you give me a little bit of grace on that as well. And I think that's about it. I'm checking my notes here. Oh, my cat interrupted me in the middle of recording, and you might hear a little scuffle. I had to pick her up and take her away, and she was a little upset with me. But again, I wasn't giving her the attention she probably wanted while I was filming yesterday. So I think that's it. I hope you take value from these videos. And to give a little bit of history on me, I mean, I sort of bring this up occasionally on YouTube and through introduction videos. My name is Angie. I host Angie's Beyond the Lecture. I've been a tutor for nearly 2 decades. I have a biology degree, I have a BS in biology, and I also have a master's degree in healthcare administration. Just couple of years ago, as a matter of fact. So I love math and science, and I love to write. You'll see that in my notes, but I tried to make them as clear and succinct as possible. Now, back to tutoring background though, I've had associations with several Dallas Fort Worth area schools. I've been on staff at these schools, and I've worked with students individually as well as in small groups. I was also a staff tutor at Collin College, where I met with students individually in small groups for chemistry, anatomy and physiology, a little bit of microbiology, and of course, biology as well. So I've clocked several hundreds, thousands, or I've clocked thousands of hours working with students, and I truly enjoy tutoring. Even though I moved from Dallas back to Omaha, I still tutor. I've kept some private students here. I even work with students who have graduated high school and they've gone on to college as well. I just absolutely love tutoring. And I'll leave it at that. Again, I hope you enjoy this series of videos. Again, it's a free course, no charge. I do have some announcements coming up, just FYI. I'll continue to be putting material out on YouTube for free. And then I'm starting up a Patreon channel. And that's where you can get some more in depth content and exam reviews, things like that, more comprehensive stuff that you can used to help you study, whether it's chemistry, geometry, algebra, physics, and so on. I basically mastered those courses in general, and I've been tutoring them over the past couple of decades. So, again, thanks for watching and make it a great day.